Decomposition reaction involves the breaking down of a substance into two or more simple substances. The equation of decomposition reaction is AB yields A plus B. So you will see we have a delta sign here. That means the reactant undergoes decomposition reaction. So it breaks down the composition of the reactant. So if you have AB, you're going to separate into A plus B. Now let's have the first type of decomposition reaction. Metallic chlorates, when heated, are decomposed into metallic chloride and oxygen gas. So, if we have potassium chlorate or KClO3, potassium here, which is K, is the metal, and then ClO3 is the chlorate. So, when potassium chlorate undergoes decomposition reaction, it's gonna give you a product of metallic chloride. So from here, we're going to get the metal, and that is K. We're going to write it here. It has an oxidation number of +1, and then chlorine is Cl, has an oxidation number of -1. So we'll just cancel out +1 and -1, and then you have the formula of the product of the metallic chloride, which is KCl, and just simply write the symbol for oxygen gas, that is O2. And there you have the chemical equation now is KClO3 undergoes decomposition reaction, gives you KCl plus O2, or potassium chlorate undergoes decomposition reaction and gives you a product of potassium chloride, KCl plus O2, or oxygen gas. The second type of decomposition reaction is metallic carbonates, when heated, are decomposed into metallic oxides and carbon dioxide. So, our example of metallic carbonate is CaCO3. Ca is calcium, that is the metal, and the formula for carbonate is CO3. So when this one undergoes decomposition reaction, you're going to give you metallic oxide. So in this case, we're going to get the metal, which is Ca, and that has an oxidation number of +2. And then oxide is oxygen. It has an oxidation number of -2. So we cancel out +2 and -2, so you get CaO. And then the other product is carbon dioxide, and that is CO2. So when calcium carbonate undergoes decomposition reaction, gonna give you calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide as the product. Next is the third type of decomposition reaction. Many metallic hydroxides, when heated, break down into metallic oxides and water. So our metallic hydroxide here is CaOH2. Ca is calcium, which is the metal, and hydroxide formula is OH. Alright? So, when this one undergoes decomposition reaction, gonna give you one product, which is metallic oxide. So the metallic oxide here is CaO. How did we get this? We get the metal again from the reactant, and that is Ca. And then oxide is for the oxygen. So to predict the formula of the metallic oxide, we will use the oxidation number of calcium, which is +2. And then oxygen is -2. So we cancel out. And then we have the formula CaO. And then the other product is water. So we'll just simply write H2O here as the formula of water. So we have now the product of this metallic hydroxide, that is calcium hydroxide, undergoes decomposition reaction. So it will give you a product of CaO, or calcium oxide plus water.